Hello YouTube friends and welcome. In this video I would like to show you a small gift knife I got from one of my friends a few months ago, and then I completely forgot it. I did put it in my bag, and it was there with me probably every day. So let us talk a little bit about this little helper. So this is the Black Legend Covert Assisted Opening Pocket Knife. Yes, that is the full name of the knife, and it has a stainless steel construction with a aluminium scale. This side is stainless steel. You can also use it as a money clip, but it has a really tight fit. And the blade steel is a mystery, like on a lot of Chinese knives. And probably the best feature is this. This is a assisted, only single edge bladed knife. They have some I hope it will focus. So it says stainless steel, handcrafted in China, and then we get the product number. Okay, Black Legend. So yeah, this is a really nice little option if you want just a small knife that you can also carry it on your belt. But given that this is an assisted knife, you should be very careful with that, because if you somehow bump in this one, it will open on you, and that would be not good, because it is only a tip down carry. Yeah, the price point, the MSRP is $12, but you can get it as low as half of the price. Usually they will go for $79. Yeah, just a little helper. So thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day.